How do we become partners on Facebook, and more specifically, a managed gaming creator, and join that program if you've been in Level Up for a few months? You can see the answer on facebook.com/fbgaminghome/creator/level up, or right here for you. It says, how do I become a managed gaming creator and join that program? Basically, it says that you have to get discovered by Facebook in order to join this program. Now, I imagine they will make this easier and roll out some more features in the future. Right now, it appears they're all doing it manually. However, starting today and doing a great job every day is probably as easy as it'll ever get to be a partner. For example, if you started on Twitch a few years ago, getting set up and building a huge audience and having a partner by now would look relatively easy, versus starting Twitch today and trying to do the same process. The amount of gaming creators on Facebook is still relatively small. There's a huge opportunity to just do a great job, consistently practice what's shared in this course, and then become a managed gaming creator. Keep in mind though, this is a long-term thing. This is not a, I'm going to go viral once and they're going to pick me up as a partner. Now, it could happen that way, but they haven't picked me up as a partner yet, and that I'm imagining that they will. And that's why I'm very grateful to film this while I'm not a partner or a managed gaming creator, although I don't know as I want to be managed that much, but I imagine that I will be a partner with Facebook in the future and have additional features unlocked. And that's a critical thing if you want to have the ability to do this full time. I think being a managed gaming creator or partner will be essential in the long term, but in the short term, you need to do the work to demonstrate and, most importantly, build a community that stands out to Facebook. Facebook, I'd imagine, is getting gaming creators based on the community they have watching their live streams. And it looks like Facebook is working hard to try and promote their partners and test out things on partner live streams also. Therefore, if you want to be a partner, I am imagining I will be a partner. The first key step is to imagine you'll be a partner. Imagine that it's already a reality. Imagine that you, in a year from now, you've already been a partner for a while, and then look back on it. What did you do in order to become a partner? And if you look at it that way, you probably wouldn't answer it with, well, I hustled and cheated and ran a few ads or whatever and got one viral stream and they picked me up to be a partner right away and threw hordes of money in my way. Here's what I imagine. I imagine I do gaming streams consistently almost every day. I build an amazing community by loving and interacting with every single person that comes along my live stream and listening to the feedback, playing the games that I both love and that the viewers want to see, combining the two, doing a delicate balance with those, and then educating viewers as to how to help me. For example, letting people know that when you share the stream, that helps fantastically. Every like on the stream is fantastically helpful. Every star donation is huge. All these things combine to let Facebook know that this is an amazing stream. And then just showing up and being there and putting enough hours into it each week to be available for all the potential viewers that might want to watch. And so when Facebook does discover me, so to speak, or when Facebook has me in the potential partners to watch category, then eventually, with that consistency, as the community grows and grows, Facebook, the guys there that, or hopefully some girls too, that make the decision and say, look, Jerry Banfield, yes, this is the guy we want to have as a managed gaming creator. Let's invite him to be a managed gaming creator with us. I imagine within a year, I will be at whatever Facebook's top level is for their partners because of the value I'm delivering and the community support. The people on Facebook seem to want me to be a partner. That is a critical balance of it because I don't become a partner by myself. It involves a lot of other people. My contributions need to be what's needed. And that comes back to why am I even streaming? I'm streaming to share a message of love, hope, and faith, charity, generosity, to bring that good energy, that good vibe out there, to help people get into recovery that need to be. These are the reasons why I'm sharing. This is why I stream. And everything else I do in my life is to put me in a position to be in a good place to stream when I stream, and to be able to respond with love to each person that comes across in my stream. When I consider my role in the totality, then I can see basically when I do what is needed and throw myself out on the mercy of the crowd, so to speak, the viewers on Facebook will decide if I get to be a managed gaming creator. And ultimately, the way Facebook's got the engagement set up, it's the viewers that are making the decisions on who gets to become partners, because the viewers and how the viewers are reacting determines which streams and which gamers Facebook discovers. And when Facebook discovers you, it's a function of how the viewers reacted. I've had several streams now Facebook may have taken notice of already, and for someone you're going to want in a managed gaming creator, you'll want consistency. You'll want to see that consistent community love and support, and therefore there's no getting the ability to become the top level creator in the gaming program without having a massive support of the community. And that happens through interaction. That happens through loving and contributing and entertaining and stepping up and consistently being available to serve the community of people watching gaming streams on Facebook. I appreciate you watching this, and if you've been wondering about how to get into the partner program on Facebook, I hope this will make it clear. Or at least make it a little less murky.
Video 6.